Empathy doesn't always look like a heavy sit-down conversation. It often shows up in simple, everyday moments. Let's think about some of those common places that empathy can show up. Example number 1, household chores. Your partner sighs while folding laundry. Instead of ignoring it or snapping, "What now?" empathy sounds like, "You sound tired. Is there something I can do to help lighten the load?" Example number 2, your evening routine. You're tempted to scroll on your phone after dinner. Instead of zoning out, empathy might look like, "Would you like to take a walk together or just sit and talk for a bit?" Small choices like this communicate, "I see you and I value you." And example 3, conflict spark. Your partner gets quiet when you're running late. Rather than reacting with, "Relax, it's only 10 minutes, you can lean on your empathy training. "I get why this makes you anxious. I should have texted. I'll do that next time." Empathy in daily life means you're practicing presence, awareness, and curiosity in the little moments, not just the crises.